We were born with an abundant amount of stem cells as infants. We started out as a stem cell. And as things started to split, this is where the organs started to form. So we're talking abundance. By the time we're 30, 35, not so much. Like we're kind of lacking around about half of what we were born with. As we're activating stem cells, we're giving our body the ability to function over time as if it was younger. The thing about this is this gives us that ability and gives the body a tool to give it the support that it needs, like it did when we were younger. This is your DNA. These are your stem cells. This patch is just a tool to provide support for your body in that area. We give the body the opportunity not to only dial back the inflammation markers, get in control of that inflammation, which gives the stem cell a better opportunity to get to the root of the problem, get in there, regenerate, rejuvenate, and repair.